Designed by Iris Labs, the jris75 is the elder and better brother to the jris65. Inside the package, we have the board itself, featuring an internal brass weight and 2 external weights, as well as a pre-installed daughter board. The weights are really nicely done and have little to literally no warping. There's also an hot swap PCB, a POM plate, as well as a bunch of foam that won't be used in today's build. Putting that aside, we have something else that came in the package. Here are all of the knob components, as well as this keycap and switch puller, the tadpole gaskets, feet, a USB-C cable, a screwdriver, the bits, a hex key, as well as an artisan. The case itself has a quick disassembly feature, meaning you could take off the top case just by pulling it off. And this is used by a tension catch on the top and bottom case. For today's build, we're going with TX tabs, CJs on the alphas and KTT roses on the function keys, and here are all of the components to the knob. I will not be showing how to disassemble them because it was a pain in the ass. Getting the ribbon cable into the PCB and into the knob is something incredibly hard, and it's something I cut out of the editing just because it took so long. But anyways, here it is, top case on with knob, and we're going to be putting on DCX Magnolia.